matter what you're going to go through in your life, you know. Don't give up. Just go and hold it in there.
Believe in yourself.
Never give up on life, no day. Always believe into yourself. You got the glory and make sure you pray. I know that one day things will okay.
Never give up on life, no day.
You gotta believe into yourself. You got the glory and make sure you pray. Pray.
Although things are rough sometimes,
I know a whole lot of people bad mind. They know I see me get my shine. But me not stop you let them me a climb. Mommy have to work hard for your dime. She said, son, please not turn to the crime. One thing, just be firm in your mind and wait for your time. Never give up on life, no day. You gotta believe into yourself. Give God the glory and make sure you pray. I know that one day things will okay.
never give up on life, no day.
You gotta believe into yourself. Give God the glory and make sure you pray. Pray.
Just look into life, my friend,
And see what the worst could be. You could be in a hospital bed or end up 6 foot deep. Just open your eyes and you see what God has done for we. He gave us life from good health. Some don't see why you breathe. Never give up on life, no day. Always believe into yourself. Give God the glory and make sure you pray. I know that one day things will okay.
never give up on life, no day.
You gotta believe into yourself. You got the glory and make sure you pray. Pray.
Pray,
Never give up on life, no day. Always believe into yourself. You got the glory and make sure you pray. I know that one day things will okay.
never give up on life, no day.
You gotta